Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 47 of building the Batmobile from 1966. We've got an egg as our thing. Egghead. Vincent Price played Egghead. Season 2, episode 47. Cool. Sunny Wednesday in Gotham City. Right. Wonder why it had to be Wednesday. Interesting. There we go. So it's the one where Batman risks having all of his knowledge removed. Oh, the Egghead's obviously some sort of brain type person. I am Gotham. Sure about that one. Definitely getting darker and moody in there. Back to the fun in Batman 81. He's a target. Okay. Special guest star. I wonder who the special guest star is. A legend. Cool. If you do want to read any of this, obviously feel free to pause and zoom in and read all of that, because I'm not going to be reading it. There we go. Good stuff. I just like looking at the pictures. So yes, we've got more car parts. We've got the finishing touches to the wheel and the hubcap. So we will do that. I've got to dig out a part from issue 39 and attach that to the wheel as well. And then we attach the wheel to the chassis. I'm not going to be doing the attaching the wheel to the chassis bit immediately here, because we need to get the chassis back in a couple of issues time. I've looked ahead, so I'm not going to get that out and then put it away and then get it back out again. So I'll attach that before the next time, but we'll get the wheel assembled now anyway. Okay, I have found the part from before. We've got the wheel from before as well, and we've got the parts from now. We've got the cap cover, which just pops together like that, and we'll go over the screw when we've finished assembling it. First of all, we need to do a couple of things with this. We've got the washer for that, that'll be the screw for that, that'll be the screws for that. So we need 5 screws here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 spare. These will hold the wheel together. That over there, like that. These 5 screws will hold all of that together. Get that in there. I'll miss one, do that one. Miss one. That one. This one. That one. And by missing one, that one will fit into the last hole. Now they're all in, I can get it all tightened up. But actually doing things, screwing things together, putting things together in this build. In a while. 2, 3, 4, and that's the 5th one. Cool. Right, then we need 2 of these to hold our brake disc sort of thing in place on there. There's 2 screws there that will go over like that. Nice. And that one. Yep. And then we've just got 1 more of these. The washer will go through there. That will go through there. And that will indeed hold on to the chassis itself. I'll do that off camera because I don't need it quite yet. And then that will go over the top there, finishing it off. So that's another issue done. Next time we're going to be starting the radiator, I think, and then attaching that to the car as well. So you get to see what that looks like in a couple of days' time. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye for now.